If you run a pressure washing, lawn care, or any small business, Quoteiq is one of the easiest ways to manage your business. You can manage customers, send estimates, track jobs, and grow your revenue. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to use Quoteiq, even if you have never used a CRM before. And what does Quoteiq do? Quoteiq is basically your business control center. You can track customers, send professional quotes, also schedule jobs, track revenue, and get paid faster, all from your phone or laptop. And to get started is actually completely free, as they offer a 14-day free trial period, and I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up, and it will help to support the channel. So once you have tapped on that link, you can sign up using your email address. Then from there, you can select the option that you want. For example, I have selected the beginner package, which is for $29. And all you need to do is tap on start free trial. And from there, you can enter in your information. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I'll be showing you how to set it up and how it can benefit your company. First, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to tap on the settings cog. After selecting the settings cog, you're going to tap on company profile. From here, you can change the icon. So you're going to tap on the pencil, then you can select gallery and you can upload your company logo. After doing that, you can put in your company name, phone number, and all of the basic information as you can see right here. You can also select the industry that you're in. Then you'll simply tap on save. You could also input in your website URL, and that's how you'll be able to set it up. Then scrolling across, you can see different options. You can select Quoteiq payments. From here, you could connect your bank account, and you can also connect your PayPal and different options that you would like to accept payments through. You can add in the services that you offer by selecting services, then tap on add service in the top right hand corner. And you can put in the service name, service price, and you could also upload an image for the particular service. Then you can choose whether you price per square feet or whichever one of these metrics you use, then you'll tap on save. And to categorize the services, you'll simply tap on service categories, and from there you could create a category. And if it is a case that you offer different packages, depending on the niche you're in, you can set up packages as you can see right here. It is very beginner friendly and easy to use. You can also edit your lead sources by tapping on edit lead source. If you like to add a new lead source, you can tap on add new lead source at the bottom right hand corner. And you can add new lead sources as you can see right there. You can scroll down and you can customize the templates and so on. So this is basically where you'll be able to customize your whole setup and all of that for your business. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on customers or better yet contacts from the left hand menu option. And I'm going to be showing you how to create your first contact. After selecting contacts, you're going to tap on create contact in the top right hand corner. From here, you can input in your contact first name, last name, email address, phone number, and also lead type. Then you'll select company name. You could fill in the company name. Then you'll simply tap on save. Now let me do that real quick, then we'll continue with the tutorial. Once you have created your contact, as you can see right here, you can also create tags if you want. But next thing I'll be showing you how to do is create an estimate. To create an estimate, you can tap on estimates from the top navigation bar, or you can use their AI estimate feature from the left hand menu option. And depending on the package you have chosen, for example, on the basic plan, you'll get 3 free AI estimates. So you can test out the AI estimate option if you want. But we're going to be selecting manual estimates from here. After doing that, you're going to tap on create estimate in the top right hand corner. And we can select standard estimate or quick estimate or the AI estimate option. If we were to select standard estimate, you can see how it looks. From here, you can put in the customer name, phone number, or you can simply tap down and you can select the customer as you can see right there. Then you'll simply tap on next. After you have tapped on next, from here you can select the service that you would like to add on the estimate. Then you'll tap on next. And from there, that's how you'll be able to create an estimate. So let's say, for example, we would like to use this one. So the first thing you'll need to do is put in the amount of square feet. So we'll put in the square feet price. So let's say $19. And let's say it was 10 square feet, then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can put in the estimate date. You can scroll down. If you like to toggle on deposit, you can do that. You can also set up the payment method and add taxes. If you like to require signature, you can do that. You can also add your terms and conditions. And you can also add in different documents if you want and attach photos. So you are given numerous options. Once you are finished, you'll tap on proceed and you can see how the estimate looks. Once it is finished, you can either choose to save the estimate, you can choose to get it as a PDF, or you can tap on save and exit. So you're given quite a few options. And that's how you'll be able to create an estimate using Quoteiq. When it comes onto Quoteiq, one of their standout features is the map tool. All you'll need to do is select map tool from the top navigation bar. Once you have selected map tool, you'll be redirected to this option. And from here, you can tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you could search for a particular location. So this is a good option depending on the type of field that you're in. You'll be able to give a proper estimate and you can search in for the particular customer location. For example, if you're in the landscaping niche or so on, and you'll be able to give a rough estimate. You'll be able to see the size of the area that the person would like you to work on and you'll get a better idea. You can also use Quoteiq to create forms. For example, you can create inspection forms, job forms. You can use it to also create before and after picture, as you can see right there. So there are quite a few options that you'll get access to. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can also see their map measurement option, and it would redirect us back to that page. You can also use their pipeline option to create deals and monitor different deals. You can tap on job list, and from here you could create event. You can also use their virtual call option. Scrolling down, you can also add in inventory, and you can also monitor the different inboxes right here. And you can also add your employees, but keep in mind on the basic plan, you're not allowed to add employees. But if you were to go onto one of the more expensive plan, you'll be able to add employees. And you'll be able to also track your employees. You'll be able to create schedules and share it with your employees. So you're given quite a few options, and this is the perfect platform to monitor whichever service business you're running. You can also use it for marketing. And as I had stated earlier in the tutorial, you can use it to build a website by selecting website builder. You could tap on start my 3-day free trial period. And from here, you'll be able to create a website using this platform. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.